Hi, I'm Leila Margolis, co-founder of the HNRNP Family Foundation and mom to patient Sydney, 7 years old. We are very excited to be hosting our second annual family meeting and scientific symposium here in Seattle, Washington next month. Here at the foundation, we have followed the science and represent all HNRNP genes that cause rare neurodevelopmental disorders. This includes H1, O'Klein syndrome, H2, HNRNPU related neurodevelopmental disorder, C, D, Q, R, and DL. We're very excited and welcome to the family.
I'm Dr. Maddie Galentine, and I am the co-founder and research director of the HNRNP Family Foundation over here in the United States. And we are so excited that you are here to be part of our community, and we hope that you learn a lot from this meeting and know that you can always reach out to anyone on our team and in our community for any HNRNP related questions. Bye.
Hello, my name is Trish Flanagan, and I'm the president of the Yellow Brick Road Project. My daughter Morgan was diagnosed with a mutation on HNRNPH2 in 2016. At that time, she was the 7th known case in the world. In 2017, I joined forces with other passionate parents and co-founded the Yellow Brick Road Project, which is grown in size to include 180 known cases of HNRNPH2. Since 2018, the Yellow Brick Road Project has hosted family meetings that bring the researchers together with families, and lots of sharing goes on at those meetings. We find it to be a very symbiotic relationship where the families are giving information about their children to the researchers, and the researchers are giving presentations. I'm so glad that you're gathering together the way that you are in Japan. We are on the brink of treatments. We're very excited to work with research teams such as those at Columbia Presbyterian, St. Jude Children's Hospital, and Lorem. There's also a therapeutic company out of Israel called Andlit Therapeutics. We really try to facilitate collaboration between all of these research teams. We fundraise furiously in order to help accelerate the treatment research. Someday, we believe children will be born with HNRNPH2 mutations. This disorder will be detected, and these children will be given a treatment that will completely change the trajectory of their lives. We know that there's more than one way to help these children. Right now, there's a lot of work being done on ASO forms of treatment, and that is just the first generation of treatments. We hope we can continue to expand the research.
Hi, I'm Dr. Jennifer Bain, child neurologist based in New York City, specializing in neurodevelopmental disorders from genetic causes. In 2016, I had the privilege of first describing the neurodevelopmental disorder caused by HNRNPH2. Since then, I've been fortunate to connect with families from across the globe, all navigating the challenges of HNRNPH2-related neurodevelopmental disorder. Today, we have over 130 cases participating in my research program. Many more are certainly out there. A feat that would not have been possible without these incredible families and a close collaboration with the Yellow Brick Road Project and the HNRNP Family Foundation. Each and every family plays a pivotal role in advancing our understanding of HNRNPH2. Your unique stories detailing how this condition has manifested in your loved ones and the impact it has on daily lives are invaluable. I cannot stress enough how important it is for me to hear from as many families as possible, particularly those from diverse geographical locations. Your experiences with this diagnosis will greatly contribute to our collective knowledge and hopefully lead to more effective interventions. I am delighted to welcome you all to the H2 community. I encourage you to be active in our community. Consider enrolling in my study. We do have translators available if necessary, and participate actively with the Yellow Brick Road Project and the HNRNP Family Foundation. Your doctors are more than welcome to get in touch with me directly, and together we can make a difference.
Dear participants, congratulations on the first HNRNP meeting in Japan, and thank you to Mrs. Kaori Suzuki for inviting me. My name is Christopher Recupero, and I am an assistant professor and neuroscientist at Columbia University in New York City. My rare disease laboratory uses human patient-induced pluripotent stem cells to model neurogenic diseases. Stem cells can be useful in many ways. One, disease modeling, where we're able to make millions of human brain cells that can contain the particular mutation and compare them to neurotypical controls to learn about disorder mechanisms. Secondly, we then use these stem cells as platforms for drug development and future therapeutics. In addition to HNRNP-H2, we are now working on additional HNRNP disorders. I say this to my fellow scientists and clinicians in Japan. We want to collaborate with you as we are the first group in building a patient sample biorepository. Lastly, to the caregivers and patients, here is a recent picture of our family meeting in the United States. We are dedicated to working hard for you and appreciate your trust. I hope to meet you in person someday at future meetings in Japan. Thank you very much and have a wonderful meeting.